All right, guys, this is our positive affirmation for this beautiful Monday morning. And what I want us to focus on today is I want us to focus on the fact that it's 5:30 in the morning and you're out here working out, and there's other people who could have made the same commitment. Now, I've worked with over thousands of people, and one thing that I've come to the conclusion on is the fact that nobody is special. The people that come out, the people who show up, they're not special in the sense that they have more time, that they have more energy. They don't have more of anything than anybody else. The only thing that differentiates them is the fact that they made a choice to come out and do something for them. How dare you wake up and go to a job and serve others when you didn't start your day by serving yourself? How dare you wake up and feel like you're going to be the best mom or the best parent or the best business owner or the best student or the best anything, and you haven't given yourself that fuel yet? That fuel is important. You wouldn't dare go from Florida to New York in a car without putting gas in it. But each and every day, some of you wake up and you don't even fuel yourselves up, and you call yourselves going out to do something for the world. And it's to the point now where you're so used to it that you call it normal. That is not normal. And I'm here to tell you that if you have not gotten enough of your excuses, I have. I've gotten enough of your excuses because I've heard them all. So the only thing that I can tell you that will make you motivated to want to do something for yourself is the fact of this. Look at your own past rhythm. You have a rhythm. You have a rhythm. And that rhythm has been sending you down a certain path. If you don't like that path, guess what? Change the direction. Once you change the direction, you will create a new rhythm. That's why I tell people it does not take discipline. It takes a new habit forming. And the only way you form a new habit is by repetition. And after a while, it sticks with you, and it's like riding a bike. It's like waking up in the morning and brushing your teeth. You don't need reminders anymore. You don't need motivation anymore. It does it naturally on its own. So until next time, guys, R3 for life, gaining beauty while losing booty, gaining strength while losing butt. Ow! Have a good one. Yeah.